The Restoration of the Plan by Benjamin Creme's Master. A Master Speaks, Volume 1, page 339. For the first time in recent history, humanity is beginning to realize its interdependence. For many centuries, the nations have fought and pillaged one another, leaving in their wake untold misery and despair. While many pockets of such violence still persist, the peoples on the whole have renounced, at least in theory, this unholy practice. The last two major conflagrations have purified the race and made possible a new approach to life. This also makes possible the return to the world in open view of the world teacher, this time not alone but together with his disciples, the senior members of the hierarchy, of which he is the head. The kingdom of God will thus be made manifest openly among men. This is a return to the conditions which prevailed in ancient Atlantean times, 100,000 years ago. Then the masters walked among men and were known for what they are, the guardians and teachers of the race. Now, as we enter the Aquarian Age, the spiral of history unfolds a new possibility of progress for humanity and the plan. The presence of the masters will act as a galvanizing magnet, stimulating millions into action to restore to equilibrium this world. Thus will men renew their association with their mentors and elder brothers, and thus will they move forwards and upwards at accelerated pace. The time has come for this happy and holy reunion. Behind the scenes, the masters have prepared themselves most arduously for this time, and welcome the opportunity to serve in more open fashion. They too have longed for closer contact with their younger brothers. From now on, that contact will increase, leading to a time of mutual independence in which mankind will itself assume responsibility for the furtherances of the plan. We are nearing a time of transformation, extraordinary in extent. Soon, very soon now, the world will awaken to the reality of economic collapse. The financial structures of the present will be exposed as the shameful mechanisms which they are, condemning millions to poverty, starvation, and want, while others parade their wealth before the poor. Soon Maitreya will step forward and make known his voice. His precepts will resound. Only sharing will save the world. Make sharing and justice your banner, and know true peace. Have faith in sharing and transform life on earth. There is no other way. Thus will Maitreya galvanize and inspire the creation of a new approach to living, and thus will men themselves open their hearts to the possibility of the new and restore the plan on earth.